Hello. Today I wanted to talk to you about something that has been gaining popularity out there, I guess I would call it, even some additional services that are being sold. So if you've ever heard of LifeLock, most people have, the credit monitoring service for your credit report. This one is a little bit different. I've been hearing advertisements and have had some conversations lately about something known as home title lock. That's the service that is being offered. So, what is this, right? The concern, the issue that's being floated around out there is that the deed to your home can be changed, and then either your home sold out from underneath you, or in other cases, a loan taken out against your home, which is generally the more popular route for these thieves, these criminals to take. So just as credit monitoring is a service that is offered now, this home title lock service to monitor your deed to see or inform you if any changes then are made. With home protection that might be offered to you, of course, we're talking about trying to fix a problem that has already occurred, meaning someone fraudulently steals your identity, forges documents, files them with the county, changes the ownership of your deed, and then either again tries to sell it out from under you. Some people have even seen for sale signs go up on their homes. A lot of this happens with vacation homes, so you might not actually be there to see it. Or again, a line or a loan is taken out against the equity of that home, essentially stealing your home equity. So, like anything else, we have to be vigilant and try to protect, this from happening. With credit monitoring, right? Same situation. Credit monitoring informs you of, an issue after it has already taken place. That's why I recommend freezing your credit, a credit freeze, right? Prevent the problem from even happening in the first place. Unfortunately, you can't lock your title. I've done some research, and unfortunately, county clerks' offices, if documents are filed in good order, then they have to process the change of deed, changing the title or the ownership to your property. So, unfortunately, even this service that is being offered out there will only let you know after a problem has already occurred, and then, of course, you have to seek the solution to changing that. What are some things that you can do to potentially protect yourself? Well, number one, taking the home out of your name and putting it into the name of a trust. That would make it more difficult for them to change the title. There are some additional steps that you have to go through in order to do that. That might not be ideal for everyone. I'm not recommending necessarily that you sign up for this service unless there isn't another option. So, is there another option? Well, in my county, here in Oakland County, they actually have a service to sign up so that you are informed should anything change with your title. So, if you ever have a change to your title, you can sign up to be informed of that. I checked around. Oakland County, Macomb County, Wayne County has the same thing. So at least the counties are kind of getting out ahead of this and partnering with some companies to be able to provide at least this monitoring service. So again, it may not prevent something like this from happening, but at least you would be informed ahead of something else occurring. The other thing that you can do certainly is freeze your credit. So in a case like this, where your home title is changed and then subsequently a loan is applied for to take the home equity out of your home, that wouldn't go anywhere if you then had a freeze, on your credit, right? No one could fraudulently take out a loan in your name against your property. So again, not exactly the solution that we would like to see here. But since your home is one of your largest assets, at least being out ahead of it as much as you could be would certainly be something that I would recommend. And it's free. It's a free service. So I would check if your county has this. Certainly sign up for it. I've signed up for it already. Certainly I don't want to see any for sale signs go up in front of my house that I am unaware of, as I'm sure you would not either. The good news, at least today, is though, even though this is a problem and it is a growing problem, it still is a relatively small problem. So this isn't rampant. It isn't happening everywhere. But of course, it's happening enough to where a company has decided to step in and monitor your title and your deed for you. Again, my opinion, if you can get something done like that for free, why not do that? So that is something that I wanted to bring your attention that, again, you might have heard of it, you might not have, but it is certainly something out there to be aware of and protect that big asset that you have. If you have any questions, obviously I'm here to help and to answer them for you. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you.